Hey guys, so as I'm sure you can see behind me, I have been living in chaos. All of this was in my closet, and then, I don't know how well you can see this. This is the only thing apparently supporting my whole shelf, and I don't think that it was installed right because it fell apart. This completely pulled away from the wall. So I have been not able to finish putting things away in my room because most everything is closed. Like all this is closed, and it was hanging and my shelf fell apart. So me and my dad went to Home Depot yesterday, and we're gonna attempt to fix my closet because this weekend we're supposed to be getting my desk, and I can't get my desk because my desk is gonna go here. Complete and utter chaos I am living in right now, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna attempt to fix this shelf. We got a couple of more brackets so it has more support, and hopefully that works. I had to come in and take all of this out of here so that, I don't know, you can't really see. Like if I open the other side, like all of this had stuff on it up here. On top of the shelf, I had clothes hanging, and I had to completely clear all that out so that we can fix that shelf. So that's what me and my dad are gonna do today, and hopefully it'll get done.
Reality, though, when you're in retirement, think about the things you're spending money on. You're spending money on healthcare, which grows a lot faster than inflation.
Or a flat fee portfolio. That's where, with the mutual funds, they're taking your money, and there's about 10,000 mutual funds, and they have different goals. Some are growth.
Window shopping.
That's a plate you never see.
New Mexico?
Yeah.
That is a true statement. I have never seen a New Mexican.
That is a plate
New
you
Mexican?
just don't see.
Is that it? New Mexico?
New Mexico?
It's pretty
USA?
there. They all usually stay there.
New Mexico.
They don't want to leave.
Yeah, what do you call them?
New Mexican?
New Mexicans?
Would that be correct?
That is too
that
funny,
correct?
probably. That's funny. You never thought about it.
Because now I'm a Houstonian again.
You are a Houstonian.
Before I was a Schomburger.
Incorrect, ma'am. Incorrect.
So funny.
You were a Schomburgian. Not much better, but you weren't a Schomburger.
Welcome to Schomburgers, home of the Schomburgers. That's funny.
I now want to name everyone from Schomburg or
Well, you just said
Schomburger.
you've gone from being a Peorian to a Houstonian to a Schomburgian to a Houstonian again.
Oh,
I
man.
get to the freaking.
I like Schomburger better.
I do too, now that I've heard it.
That's funny.
You're a Schomburgian, I'm a Schomburger.
There's a Whole Foods, Glenn.
Yeah, oh
That's
yeah, I know some people
huge.
coming in.
That
and
That
that's
Whole
a big
Foods is
Whole
huge.
I need to find a farmer's market.
They have to have a bunch of them out here.
Did you see that ring?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's how I knew we were near
The Galleria.
the Galleria.
They have
I don't think that was there before.
Oh no, that's all new.
Okay.
It's just taking me to 610, correct?
Oh, so you remember that?
Oh, Rocher, Boubois, whatever you call it.
Wow.
What do you have in there?
It's
That
leather
candy.
furniture, the most beautiful leather furniture that
Oh,
you could ever
yeah.
lay your eyes on.
I have seen that.
Yes.
Probably.
Oh, man.
We used to come and just
Yeah,
bounce
we used
that
to go
place.
just to look because the sofas are like $10,000.
Oh,
They're leather.
That
They're
was 20
leather.
years ago.
Leather.
Letter? Their letter moment?
That leather.
It's a European leather store.
Yep.
Little and basic.
Now that wasn't the one that we used to go to.
No, it was up on Westheimer, but it was
Westheimer
farther.
off of, Derry Ashford.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really? I can't picture that.
Yeah, and it was kind of a.
I don't remember the exact.
And
Was it on Westheimer?
It may not have been exactly on Westheimer, but it was definitely in the West.
In that area.
Westheimer area.
Have you been? You need to come over to that area where you used to live.
Oh, it doesn't look
you know
the
where
same
it
at
used to
all.
be the little pasture on
Yes.
the corner, the 24-hour fitness and a whole little. Then over on our side of town, we have Royal Oaks now, which is a gated community, right up the street from us.
Mhm.
What's it called?
Is that the
Royal-
houses we were
Royal Oaks.
passing? Those big houses?
They like that whole subdivision starts in the 300s. When they were building it, and we drove through there a couple times, but then once everything was up, they closed the gate so we couldn't get in. It's like basically almost in the same zip code.
Keep out the
as us.
riffraff.
We gave you a chance. We gave you a chance.
Thank
You didn't
you.
take it. Now you close out.
No more for
Shut
you.
out.
Yep.
Those are apartments, I
Condos,
think,
I'm
because one of those was for sale when I started looking at how pricing houses
Uh-huh. Yeah,
and stuff
condos.
for when I finally save up a down payment.
Uh-huh.
And one of those, it was like on the 3rd or 4th floor. It was like $150,000.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
that's not bad. And it was a nice little
Did you try look at
condo.
it?
I looked at it. Well, I didn't go and look at it. I looked at it online.
Was it how many bedrooms?
2,
Okay.
I think.
I was like, I see a sign.
Yeah.
I know I'm gonna be exiting, but it looks different.
Yeah, you want to get into your next lane. Well, you can stay in this lane.
Probably
actually.
this. Yeah.
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 Ooh.
I think they're going to merge.
Yeah, you're gonna be on the
You need to
in the
be-
right lane.
Next one.
Yeah, the next one over.
I still got about a half a mile. I think.
See, this is a Saturday. It shouldn't be this crowded.
Oh, Houston. What are you looking for?
7.5. I'm just looking at the height.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want to get this?
Yeah. What were you looking at though? Yeah, that these are made so that they can be used as legs.
They're both 27.5.
Yes. Dang it. These are both made so that you can build desks on those. So, what do you want to do?
If you want to get it.
Well, we need to go look at the boxes to
Yeah.
make sure they fit in my car. Because this is going to be, like you said, it's going to be tight. But,
14 and an 8.
are you trying to do the measurement again? But remember, I sat on it and it worked. And it left me this much room. So like, oh, you moved your hands. Put it back to where you think it was. So it leaves me this much room between the leg, ow, and the thing. So I can pull a chair in and out. I'll still have drawers in here, and I'll have a file cabinet now. We are looking at desks. Aisle 32, that way. Bin 4.
There it is.
Right there. And this is for the legs.
I think they'd be in the same aisle.
What?
You think they'd be in the same aisle?
The legs?
The legs with the table.
You'd think. That's what would make sense.
32 what? Aisle 32 and what?
Bin 4? Did I say bin 4? Oh no.
Been what?
Can we not get to them? Seriously?
Okay, here's the legs. I think these are going down. I think this is up for this one. See?
Okay.
So
Only
get four of those.
These are the tabletops.
Oh, we're in the same
It looks like it, but those aren't the... This is the bigger one. I almost dropped my phone.
It doesn't look like we have a space for it.
It might be in a different aisle.
You can't get back to your other... You took a picture of it.
I did take a picture of it. Okay, so I am now running to get the car because they don't like it. Oh, maybe at this IKEA you can bring carts out here. That's new. Our IKEA at home, you can't bring carts past the door, but apparently at this IKEA, you totally can. So I did not even have to run to come get the car. Oh well, lesson learned. I have to find my car. I've lost my car. I think I'm one aisle over. I don't know where my car is. Well, I knew we parked far, but I don't think we parked this far. This is no bueno. I have lost my car. Am I over one? Oh wait. I think I found it. I was not parked over here. Was I? Maybe I was. Lost my car. Hope this is my car. Please be my car. It is my car. I was 100% in the wrong aisle. Okay. Found my car. Had lost it. Now it is found. People are looking at me like I'm crazy. All because I am vlogging. I found my car! Okay, I'm gonna go get my mom now. Okay, I'm totally gonna put you away so I can go load our car with IKEA furniture.